We've come to CES for multiple years, more than you can imagine that I've been to. And every year the smart home levels up. I've got to tell you, the smart home section here at the Venetian is at a whole nother level, and we're going to show you everything that we have found because it is incredible. So you know that I do almost all my work from home, and the chair is one of the most important pieces to this equation. So I came out here, LiberNovo's like, hey, you've got to check out our Omni dynamic ergonomic chair. And I'm like, okay, that's a long name, but does this really live up to the hype? Now, this is a chair that's already cushy and soft. It almost has this like really like a nice memory foam type feel, right? But this chair is one of the most unique things that you'll find on the market. First of all, I have these buttons here, okay? When they talk about dynamic lumbar support, I can actually press these buttons and I can feel the lumbar support filling out, right, my back. I can also pull it back with the other button and then it reduces. But you can see this moving as I'm going through this. All right, so you're saying that's cool? No, I'm telling you, it feels really good. But then you're gonna have these two levers here, right? This is something that you're used to, right? Going up and down, right? Oh, up and down, right? We all know this on chairs. But then you have this other lever adjustment here, right? This is for the Bionic Flex Fit backrest. Now here, if I lean back, all right, that's normal. I can change the angle a little more, all right? Oh, I can get a little back, right? That actually feels good right here, right now. But I'm gonna show you a little something. I'm gonna flip this all the way down, right? This is a 160-degree angle that this chair can now go all the way back, okay? I'm gonna put my feet up on the footstool, but there's one more thing. There is an extra button here for the Omni stretch. And the Omni stretch takes that lumbar support and essentially is like moving up and down and stretching out your freaking back. We've been here at CES for, what, 3 or 4 days, and I'm dying, and this chair feels like heaven. You gotta experience this to believe it. I have gotta get this chair. It is incredible, and I'm loving every second in it. So there it is, the LiberNovo Omni dynamic ergonomic chair. I said the whole name because it's that freaking good. Some of you at your home might have a pool, and you know what? That means you want a pool cleaning robot. So I'm here at Beatbot's booth, and they made 2 big announcements. First of all, we have the Sora 70. Think of this as like the powerhouse cleaner. The fundamentals are all here. It comes in purple. It looks great, but also their big announcement, the high-end AquaSense X. You see all these awards? They're here for a specific reason, right? It has its own self-cleaning dock that goes along with the AquaSense X. This is a complete solution, so we're gonna go walk over here because they've actually got a pool, and what we wanna do is show you what it looks like right here. This is an all-in-one cleaning robot pool cleaner that cleans the entire pool from the floor to the walls to the surface. It has Beatbot's AI 2.0 hybrid Sense AI vision that doubles debris recognition from 20 to 40 different types. There's also Beatbot AquaRefine 3-in-1 clarifying agent dispense, so eco-friendly water clarification here naturally removes dirt and oils and residue using skin-safe recycled crab shell agents that bind these fine particles for cleaner water and filtration efficiency. So here we have the actual AquaSense X. It's on top of the Astro Rinse cleaning station. I want to show you something really quickly here. This is where the 22-liter bin that holds the debris is stored. I'm gonna close that up. And then the best part here, you're gonna manually need to put this in place, all right? So I'm gonna dock it here. And what happens is once you put it down, this will connect in a moment, and then it'll start the process of actually cleaning the AquaSense X. Now this is my friend, the Sora 70, who decided to match me with the color purple, but it has this jet pulse water cleaning, all right? Also advanced suction of 6,800 gallons per hour. Let's put you in. It has up to 5 hours of floor cleaning with smart surface parking for easy pickup, also an ultra-large 6-liter debris capacity with fine filtration. So the Sora 70, this is gonna be available in March. The AquaSense X is available for pre-order right now, $4,250. So there's the pool. Let's see what else is smart in the home. We can't talk about the smart home without talking about robot vacuums, and I think this space continues to innovate more than any other space in tech. Robot vacuums are everywhere, and before they've been refined to single level homes. What about homes with multi-stories? Let's first check out the Roborock Saros Rover. This is a concept, all right? They do say they want to bring this to production, but it can climb stairs on its own. We saw a live demo of it climbing up the stairs and coming down a ramp at an incline. Now it's a 2-wheel leg architecture where it enables each wheel's legs independently to raise and lower to balance each other out, which it allows it to execute these small jumps, right? Agile turns, sudden stops, and directional changes, all while maintaining a level body as the ground changes. Now the Saros Rover, again, this is a real product in development with an unconfirmed launch date. And let's go over to Dreamy here, okay? Dreamy announced the concept Cyber X back at IFA, and it was shown here with this demo at CES. Now this is a special robot accessory where it takes the latest Dreamy robot vacuums up the stairs, all right? So this accessory, the Cyber X, can climb stairs up to 9.8 inches, slopes up to 42 degrees, with a special 4 foldable legs with rubber treads. They plan to add a built-in water tank that can deliver mopping capabilities to multi-story homes. Again, no word on when this will be released, but you can see if there's any place where innovation keeps on going and taking us to new levels, it's gonna be robot vacuums. I have been waiting for years to get a smart lock. People have been teasing me like, why don't you have a smart lock already? I've just been waiting for the right one, and I think I found it right here. We're here in Aqara's booth here at CES, and this is their smart lock U400. Now, what's kind of fun is the design reminds me a little bit of a phone that you have, right? So that design is very familiar. You got the curved edges, but what this is one of the first ultra wideband smart locks. So what does that mean? That means with something like your iPhone or Apple Watch that has ultra wideband, when you get in range of it, it detects you moving towards that smart lock, and then it automatically unlocks it or locks it for you. What does that mean? No contact whatsoever. It still does have a digital keypad in case you need it, or let's say a guest or a friend wants to come in, you can give them that code. But the magic to it is, we just demoed it. I walked from outside, walked up to the door, instantly, smooth transition. It sounds silly, is it magical? It kind of feels that way with ultra wideband. Also, the U400, this was announced here at CES. This is available today. It starts at $269, and I'm pretty sure I found the smart lock that I've always wanted. That's not the only trick that Aqara has up their sleeve. This is their Thermostat Hub W200. So why is this unique? Yes, it's got this great design. Yes, it works the way that you expect a thermostat to do, right? Smart one, with heat, with cold, with air. But there's a couple new features here. It supports adaptive temperature with Apple devices. So what does that mean? If you have your Apple Watch, if you have something like your iPhone and you're on site at your home, it knows you're in that area. It knows to keep that temperature, set it the way it is when you're home. When you leave, it knows to turn off the temperature. It also supports clean energy guidance. What that means is that the grid, there's different times of the day where it's more expensive than other times. So it's gonna be sensitive to that and adapt around that as well. Obviously, it doesn't wanna preheat your house if the energy levels are more expensive. So it's gonna be conscious of that. Another cool thing about this Thermostat Hub W200 works with all of Aqara's doorbells. We saw this connection of the doorbell meets smart lock. I can go up to the doorbell, right? It could be a friend, a family member, an annoying neighbor. It could be me, and you can actually then touch on this thermostat to let them in, right? So this is a really connected ecosystem, and this is just another reason why we came here, because there's so many cool things for the smart home from Aqara here at CES 2026. So we really got to show you a diverse group of different products, all geared towards the smart home. You can imagine just how many more are here on the show floor, but for CES 2026, that's just a quick look at some of the smart home stuff that matters this year.